So hi guys, welcome to my new video. You are watching Study Blogs at Akan Pratap Singh. So this video is going on topic of my backlog data sheet. I will prepare my data sheet today of my backlog which is left out in my previous functions that I attend, and it is very necessary to complete before my new scholarship test. So I will show you how much backlog I have left out, and if I can't complete on time, then it may be disadvantage for me in giving a scholarship test. So come on, I will show you my data sheet making. So hi guys, I am going to start my data sheet of my backlog, and I am doing a voiceover because the speed of video is 6.0x. then a voice will be not clear in the background, so I am voiceover. Start from subject physics backlog lectures. Now chapter 1 from lecture 7 to 13. Here average time, how much time in every lecture will be 1.3 hours, 1.30 hours, means 1 hour 30 minutes, and it is total lecture time, means total chapters lecture time is equal to 10.30 hours. Then how I will take to complete this lecture, means if a lecture is 130 hours, then I will have to take 230 hours to complete this lecture with understanding and making notes and by solving questions. And here I am going to start total time to complete my physics backlog, and you can read all chapters lectures time and average time, or here it is physics, total physics backlog time is 91 hours. Now I started chemistry backlog lectures. Now watch again here chapter 2. From chapter 2 I start lecture 2 to 8 because I completed my chapter 1 in chemistry, so my backlog is started with chapter 2. So here it is 130 hour is average time, as you watch above, and total lecture time 10.5 hours according to all lectures. How I will take 16 hours to complete these all lectures. Now you can watch in chapter 3 and chapter 4 simultaneously. Total time to complete my chemistry backlog, here it is about 88 hours. Now start with mathematics, subject mathematics backlog lectures. Chapter 1 and wait. So from lecture 9 to 18 average time is 1.35 hours, where total lecture time is 16 hours. And how I will take 30 hours simultaneously, you can see in chapter 2nd, chapter 3rd, and coming chapters as like chapter 4 and chapter 5. In chapter 4 and chapter 3, 4 and 5 average time is too much according to above lectures. Now total time to complete my mathematics backlog lectures 130 hours. It is all about 130 hours. Now I am adding all backlog hours, so 91 plus 88 plus 130 hours is equal to 309 hours. Now convert it into days. If I study about 12 hours in a day, then 309 by 12, it is about 25.75, about 25 days. So हाय, जैसा कि आप लोगों ने वीडियो में देखा कि कितना ज़्यादा बैकलॉग मेरा छूट रखा है. सो आई हैव अ हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू यू ऑल गाइज विच आर डूइंग 12th and JEE preparation. Please don't attend any function very seriously, and if you enjoy then enjoy, but please take your work within you. And one thing more, आने वाली वीडियोज़ जो होंगी वो इस टाइम मुश्किल है, और जो भी होंगी इसी से रिलेटेड हो सकती हैं. और टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ बिकॉज हेल्थ इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी नेसेसरी. और इतना ज़्यादा मेरा इसलिए छूट गया क्योंकि फंक्शंस भी अटेंड किए और क्या कहते हैं बीच में मेरी तबीयत ख़राब हो गई थी। सो 10 से 12 दिन तक कोई क्लास नहीं अटेंड कर पाए थे। सो आप लोग अपना ख्याल रखें और पढ़ाई करते रहें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय। वीडियो अच्छी लगे, आपको कुछ सीखने को मिला इससे, तो लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए। फॉर 12th एंड JEE एस्पिरेंट्स, ऑल द बेस्ट। बाय बाय।